Cow, guy,
Cow gives milk.
parrot, kuta,
Parrots like chili.
fish, machli,
Fish lives in water.
buffalo, s,
The color of buffalo is black. Buffalo gives milk.
horse,
Ghoda. Horses run very fast. Cat.
billy,
Cat says meow. Quail. Bater. Hen. Murgi. Hen gives egg. Rabbit. Khargosh. Rabbit loves carrot. Goat. Bakari. There are 300 category of goats in the world. Goat also gives milk. Sheep. Bhed. Sheep gives wool. Camel. Oot. Camels are used in desert. Donkey. Gadha. Donkey is a very hardworking animal. Mule. Khachar. Mule pulls cart. Dog. Kutta. Dog is the most honest animal. Tortoise. Kachua. Tortoise walks slow. Elephant. Hathi. Elephant can carry heavy weight. Pig. Suar. Pigs are black or white in color. Ox. Bell. Oxes plow field. Llama. Llama. Llama provides wool. Duck. Battak. Duck gives egg. Peacock. More. Peacock is a beautiful bird. Pigeon. Kabutar. Pigeons are good messengers. Emu. Emu. Emu fats are used for oil. Ostrich. Shuturmurg. Ostrich gives egg.